Welcome to Learn with Endless. In today's video, we are going to discuss related to the syllabus and overview of a VAC course of Delhi University that is the Science of Happiness. Also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Also, I have posted the PYQs of all the VAC courses and also this one on my channel, so you can check them out too. Check the difficulty of the paper. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Here, as you can see, it's a two-credit course. There is a lecture and practical, and the eligibility criteria you have to pass from class 12, and there are none prerequisites. So let's get started. The learning objectives to attempt to use happiness as a driver, innovative as a social quality for community growth and connection with each other, to foster well-being by developing insights about oneself and awareness about others, to adopt the science and practice of happiness by focusing on strengths that enhance positive emotions and positive relationships, thus preparing them for a larger for excellence. To help students understand the concept of happiness scientifically and provide them with the basic training on how to improve the quality of their life as well as those of others. Next, the learning outcomes. The students will be able to transform themselves through self-discovery, realize their initiate potentials, and finding their purpose in life. It shall encourage students to build genuine connection and relationship with others, resulting in sustained strength and happiness. Students flourishing by helping them understand the suffering of life, exploring ways to effectively overcome them. Students will be able to become positive human beings by assisting them in understanding well-being throughout the scientific topic. Now let's discuss the syllabus. There are total of 4 units. Let's go through them one by one. Unit 1, Framing Happiness. Here they will talk about the introduction of different perspectives of happiness, happiness myths and misconceptions, why happiness, its issues, and managing monkey brain and negative emotions. Next, for Unit 2, the Neuroscience of Happiness. The neuroscience and its happiness, introduction, brain behavior relationship, measuring happiness. Next, for Unit 3, Happiness in Everyday Life, the flow and creativity, the relationships and well being, the positive toxicity and the shades of optimism, the importance of empathy and gratitude. As for the last Unit 4, the resilience and happiness. Here they will talk related to the coping with negative, how to cope up with your negative emotions, nurturing skills, values, and mindset for resilience, critical issues behind happiness. Lastly, for the practical component, these are decided by your college and Delhi University from time to time. So then there is no point of discussing them. Also, what can I tell you is that they will make you, your professors that are ETC will tell you to make some kind of project work or files. Just that. Aki, you have to ask your professors what exactly they want. So talk to your professor. Here are some essential and recommended readings with the suggestive reading. Okay. Anyway, with this, it's over. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Also, I posted the PYQs of the subject. And that's all for today. Bye for now.